Okay, so we're going to look at the reverse brake part today. So I'm going to start by driving into the car park, leaving myself a nice big safe gap around the top of the bays, keeping the car straight and parallel to the bays. Make sure that my steering wheel stays straight as well. I'm going to stop once I've lined up my reference point, which you'll see just here. And then I'm going to prepare the car, so I'm going to pop it into reverse. I'm going to keep my clutch down and my brake on for now, just because of the gradient of the road. Sometimes you might need a biting point, or depends on the type of road that we're on. We're going to do our observations, so all the way around. Same observations we'd normally do, but just the opposite way this time. And then once we're happy it's safe, we're going to move the car slowly, just a slow crawling speed, with a full left lock on. We're constantly checking around the car to make sure it's safe, moving the car slowly, checking out blind spots out of the back window as it comes round. I'm checking my mirrors just to make sure that I'm going to be inside the white lines. As it is, I'm gradually taking the steering off, so I'm happy that it's within the bay, it's straight, it's parallel to the white lines. Looking out the back window, stopping. Once I feel that I'm far enough in the bay, I'm going to secure the car by applying the handbrake and popping it into neutral. And there we go, straight into the bay and messing around. So we've prepared the car, we're doing our observations. Once we've done that, we're going to reverse the car back slowly, put our full left lock on. We're going to dip the clutch, squeeze the brake gently. We're looking in our side mirrors, make sure that we're going to be within the white lines. Hopefully we're parallel to them. We'll straighten the wheel back off again. We're reversing back slowly, looking out of the back window, make sure we're not going to hit anything. And then we're going to dip the clutch, squeeze the brake, and then secure the car to a stop. Hiya, I'm Mickey. Thanks for watching the video. Remember to subscribe to my channel to keep up to date with all the new materials and new videos. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or have any recommendations for videos you'd like to see, don't forget to drop me a message or leave a comment. Other than that, just enjoy your lessons and